Hi creators! Today I decided I was going to set up a professional email for the creatornerds.com website. Right now I have a Gmail address, but if you are going to start a business, you really want to go ahead and get a professional email address. Today I'll be doing a test just to make sure that I'm doing it correctly. So I thought I would bring you along for the ride and we'll go ahead and set it up. Let's go to manage websites, or what we could do is go down here to mail, because I think I can get there from here. Yeah, there's an add email there. I think, yeah, it actually takes us to that location. So, all right, so let's click create email and see what happens. It shouldn't take too long. All right, it's asking me to pick which domain, which of course is creatornerds.com. So for this one, let's see, an email address cannot begin or end with a special character. Common special characters include a hyphen, a period, or an underscore. We're not going to even do that. We're just going to do test. It'll be a fully hosted email, send, receive, and store, or forward only, forward to another email, or garbage, delete all emails sent to this address. I'll go ahead and leave it as the fully hosted so we can walk through the process and see what happens. So let's click continue. Enter mailbox name and password. We're going to do test. And let's see, for the password, they want upper and lowercase, special characters, and must be 8 to 31 characters long. I will be deleting this email after this tutorial, so let's go ahead and just do, we're just going to go back up here and I'm going to do generate strong password. I'm going to copy that. Okay, looks like it's setting it up for me. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and I'll come back when this is done generating the email. Hey nerds, during the edit I noticed the pop-up there on the screen and it says it'll take an hour for the change to take effect. I didn't catch that when I was doing the original video, so the error that comes up in the rest of the video has to do with that I didn't wait long enough before actually finishing. But it's good that you see what happens. Okay, so it gave me a message that said it was done. It says fully hosted, active. I'm going to go ahead and click webmail. It opened up a new window. I'll go ahead and paste. This is why I did a copy. So this is test at creatornerds.com. Let's log in and see what it looks like. It opened up a new tab, not a new window. It says login failed. That's interesting. Let's go back here. I'm going to refresh the page. I have no active mailboxes. That's interesting because I just created it. Let me go back to home. Isn't that interesting how it seems to be an error? So let's go to mail, manage email. Ah, okay, there it is now. Okay, so maybe it just takes a little bit of time to populate. I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to refresh this page and I'm going to put the password in and see. Oh, there we go. Okay, never. Okay, so this is our inbox. This is pretty interesting. I like the interface, very simple. Got contacts, compose, settings. So I'm in the webmail and I'm going to do a test email to a different Gmail address. We're going to click compose. We're here in the webmail and I have an email that I created a long time ago that I've never used. And I probably will just use it for junk, so that way I can keep it for things like this. Okay, so testing Dreamhost and hello, just testing Dreamhost email. Okay, so I'm going to click send and let's see if it's in the sent file. It is, it's right there. Okay, so now I'm going to go over to that particular email and there it is. Okay, so you can see it came over just fine. It says test. Of course, whenever I create an actual working email that I'm going to use, it's not going to say test. It's going to say something, whatever I change it to. And of course, there's my heading. Let's click on it. Hello, just testing Dreamhost email. That looks good. I'm going to just reply, yes, I got it, and hit send. Okay, message sent. Let's hop back over to Dreamhost. Oops, got to go to the inbox. Oh, it's loading. There it is. Okay, so expert. Obviously, I need to fix that. So yeah, okay, yes, I got it. It looks like it worked really good, so that's fantastic. I'm really glad this is so easy. However, what I really would like to do is have the creatornerds.com emails sent to my Gmail inbox so I can have all of my emails sent to one location for this particular business. If you want to learn how to take your Dreamhost email and have it come into your Gmail inbox, watch this next video where I show you how I set it up. And hey, thanks to all the new creators who are my new subscribers. I really appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up for this video if you thought it was helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.